welcome again to our channel, the Noob Parents. My name is Marlo and this is
Aiden Soldier.
Aiden Soldier. And today we have another episode and we're gonna play again with clay, but this time it's called a super.
Mommy, look! I have a shoe in my face.
Today we have another clay, but it's called the super light clay. Okay, this will be the first time that we're gonna be using this. It's a type of clay that it's more soft. Okay, if you see, if you squeeze it like this, maybe we could. We're gonna open it now, and we're gonna have a look inside.
Yeah.
So it's called super light clay.
How much is that?
Okay, this is about maybe $1. $1. Okay, so we have some pictures here, some instruction. I don't know. So if you can see, it's like it's almost like an icing. It's very soft. Okay, and Sonic, you stay here. Okay, I don't know if you remember Sonic, but it's the one we built the last time, and he's here to accompany us on doing this episode. And let's see. Oh, it's so soft. Look, guys. Look, guys, more like an icing or something.
Eat it.
Let's see this. You see, it's very soft. It's very easy to like squeeze.
Maybe can you help Aiden please?
Aiden, look at.
It's like a slime.
It's almost like the slime.
Let me try.
It's very nice, actually. I'm gonna take this orange color here. It's gooey and soft. So it's also here. Okay, feel free to use it.
No, the pink one.
What pink ones?
They come together.
Oh yeah, you're right. There's some tools. So guys, include some of the tools. We got some additional tools here. We got some kind of knife and some shapy stuff and another it's like a food. I don't know. So what's this here?
Aiden is very observant.
Let's review the color. What color is this?
Orange.
Orange. Very good. And this one? This one? This one? What is this?
Green.
Green. Soft. And this one?
Purple.
Purple. No, it's the fuchsia. Yes. And this is?
Black.
No, this is black. What is this? Look. Look at this. What color is this? Hey, what color is this?
Brown.
Brown. Very good. This one?
Black.
Black. And this one? Purple. And this one?
Pink.
Very good. This one?
White.
Very good. This one?
Blue.
Blue.
For Sonic.
For Sonic. Yeah, maybe we could do another Sonic maybe later. But this one? Look. Come on, we're almost done.
No, it's
Ah.
like a snake.
Yeah, like a snake. Now, what color is this? Look.
Orange.
No, this is orange. This one, what is this?
Gold.
Gold. Okay, fine. And this one? Last one? This one? Look,
Red.
red.
What's
Okay.
Sonic's shoe?
So what can we do with this stuff? Let's do some fruits or vegetable. What do you think? Huh? Or maybe let's do some eggs. So we're gonna do. What's this?
White.
Oh, what's this?
White.
Now, what color is this?
Wood.
Huh?
Wood.
This is peach.
Peach.
Peach. Okay, peach. So, Aiden. So here we're gonna do some eggs. Here it's gonna be the egg yolk.
Yuck.
Aiden, do something like carrot. Aiden, carrot.
So I will make 2 eggs.
Wow.
Yeah, so we have eggs. I'm gonna make some carrots. Yes, see?
He just wants to stretch things.
I got some carrots. So we got some red chili done. Okay. Strawberry. What's that? Pizza? Yeah, make it a little bit more. We're gonna put some pepperoni. And put some cheese.
Oh, so
Cookie. That's a cookie.
that's a cookie. Okay, put your cookie here. It's done, your cookie. What are you gonna make after your cookie? Aiden.
Hey guys, I made an eggplant.
Wow, that is very
Yeah, it's an
nice. I like it.
eggplant.
Where's the eggplant?
Yeah.
So tasty.
Careful.
This is a black Sonic.
What are you making?
This is a black Sonic. Black Sonic. Look, this is Black Sonic. Black Sonic's world.
Mm-hmm. Show it to Mama. The face itself.
That's
Wow.
Black Sonic. Not a hedgehog. It's a Black Sonic hedgehog. Hedgehog.
Hedgehog, okay.
This is a Black Sonic. This is Black Sonic. Whoa.
Oh,
Hey there.
wow. What is
Hey there.
that?
Duck.
It's a duck.
Oh,
Rub ducky. Ducky.
nice.
This is Black Sonic. This is Black
Oh,
Sonic.
Green bell pepper.
It's really nice.
And make another one. I don't know. We have a green bell pepper. Come here, look. What's this?
Green pepper.
And this one? Red.
Red.
Red pepper.
Ah!
Oh, come here.
This is
So cute. I think you're enjoying it more.
Hey then, what is this?
poop.
What?
Poop.
Poop? No, it's a potato.
Potato.
It's
poop.
potato.
No potato.
Potato. You call it poop? This is my potato. What is this? Fine. I'm gonna make a
Okay.
Wow, cabbage. Ah. White cabbage pechay.
Okay, I got some lettuce. Looks like, I don't know guys, but it doesn't look like a lettuce, but let's keep it as a lettuce for now. Okay, what else? What else we can make? I know what I want to eat.
You're enjoying it. Very light, super light. They are right in it. Ice cream?
It did. Look.
Stay.
Wow,
ice cream.
Ice cream store.
So what else? What else we can make? Get some meat, I suppose. Beef.
Remember, next month's Aiden's birthday.
Yeah, my motorbike.
Oh my God! I didn't forget it at all.
My black motorbike. I forgot. I'm so sad.
You're so sad? Why are you so sad?
My motorbike is broken.
Your motorbike is broken?
Yeah, I need to fix it.
You can't fix it anymore. It's unfixable. Look, I got marshmallow. Okay, guys, so let's see what we have done so far.
Ask him.
Okay, Aiden, look what we have done. Can you say? Can you tell me what those are? This is
That's the one.
no, this one.
Carrots.
This one.
Egg.
Egg. And this one.
Carrot.
Very good. And this one.
Chili.
Chili. This one.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. And those two. This one. This two.
Green pepper.
Green pepper and red pepper.
Red pepper.
Yes. And this one. It's an eggplant. And this one.
Ice cream.
And this one, you made this one. What is this?
Cookie.
Cookie? Okay. And this one? A chicken.
Oh, that's a chicken.
This is a chicken?
No.
Do you believe me that this is a chicken? What is this?
Chicken.
It's a duck.
Chicken coop.
Chicken coop.
Baby.
It's just kidding, guys. And this one, your favorite? What is this? You don't like potato? This is potato. And this one. This is cake. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed our episode today, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and join our membership if you like. See you